Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You asked me to make another beginner-friendly Clickbank affiliate video, and I did. And in today's video I'm going to show you one website that I'm using to drive Clickbank free traffic and to make up to $2,000 per month with Clickbank. But you will have to watch entire video really carefully because there are some really important informations about their rules. And if you miss those informations, you will be banned and you won't make any money. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. First, we need to find Clickbank product that we are going to promote, and for that we are going to use CB Engine. And when you come on CB Engine, click here on New Products. And the reason we are searching through new products is because there is not that many competition, not that many people promote these products because these are new products. And that makes our job easier. And when we come here, we are going to click here on Gravity. And then Gravity again. And we need to go through these products. And let's just check this product here. Just click on it and click on Visit Website. Just to see what this product is all about. And as you can see here, manifested real spendable cash. So this is basically manifesting money. So now we actually need to do a research. And obviously, topic of this product is manifesting money. So that will be actually our main keyword. First, we need to research this topic to see is there any potential in this niche. And for that, we are going to use Google Trends. And when you come on Google Trends, here in search bar, we are going to type our main keyword. In this case, that would be manifesting money. And just click here on search term. And here you can see that trend was going up, and then start going down. But considering the entire situation around the world, I'm guessing it will start going up again. So this is actually a not bad topic. Now we need to do a keyword research and to check out our competition. And for that we are going to use Uber Suggest. And here in search bar we are going to type our main keyword, in this case that is manifesting money, and click search. Here you can see 3,600 people searched this term last month in United States, but globally I think more than 5,000 people searched this term. SEO difficulty is 24, which is not that difficult. Paid difficulty is 16, again not that difficult. So we can actually rank for this keyword. And when you scroll here, you can see some keyword ideas. Manifesting money is our main keyword. Manifesting money fast, meditation for manifesting money, and so on and so on. And when you scroll here, you can actually see here your competitors. And as you can see, first website have only 21 links. Second has only 4 links. So we only need to build 10 to 15 backlinks to our article, and we are going to rank on first page on Google. And here you can also see some ideas for title for your article. And you can visit each of these websites and see what kind of articles they are writing and how many keywords they used and many other really important informations. So overall, this is a good niche and a good keyword. Now we can go and promote this product because now we know that we can actually make some sales and make some money with this product. So now we need to go back on CB Engine and click here Get Affiliate Link. And here you are going to add your Clickbank nickname and your Clickbank ID and click here on Create Hope Link. And now you have your Clickbank affiliate link for this product. And now we actually need to write a good article. And if you are not good at writing article, you can actually go on Fiverr and hire someone to write you a good article. I personally hired this girl here, Amber, to write me different kind of articles that I need, and I'm really satisfied with her work. And I will leave you a link in description to her Fiverr gig. But you don't have to hire her. You can hire whoever you want. But please don't hire those $5 or $10 people because they will just go and take somebody else's article, put it in some spin bot, and they will send you some low quality article. It is better to pay $50 or $100 for a well-written, well-researched, 100% unique article. And that is why I'm hiring this girl to write me articles. And like I said, I'm really satisfied with her work. But whenever I can, I actually write my own articles. And this is how I do my article research. I come here on Quora and here in search bar I type my main keyword, in this case that is manifesting money, and then click search. And here you can see all the questions about manifesting money. And here you can see number of answers. And let's just click on this first one. And I will scroll here to see answers and click here on more. And as you can see, this is actually not that bad. This is actually informative, good and informative article. So I'll go further and I will click here again on more, and also good informative article. And I will click here on more to read another answer. And again, as you can see, good informative article. So now I will actually read all three answers. I will go back and read some more questions and answers. And based on these articles on Quora, I will write my own article. Now you can type your article, or as I like to do, I like to go on Google Documents and click here on blank, and then click here on tools, and then click on voice typing. Now this is very important. You will not see this option on Google Documents on any other browser. You cannot see this option on Mozilla, on Opera, on Edge. You can see this option voice typing only on Google Chrome. So you must use Google Chrome if you wish to do this. And to use this, just click here on this microphone and just start talking. As you can see, it types everything that I say. And that is how you can actually write this article. Just start talking and it will write everything. And after you finish, I recommend to check everything, to read everything again, just to see is there any errors, or maybe you wish to change something. And after you're satisfied, just click here again and click here on File, and then go here on Download and download as a Microsoft Word. Now we have our affiliate link and we have our article, and now we need to drive Clickbank free traffic. Now we need to publish this article on high authority website. But before I show you this website, I wish to show you first their metrics. And as you can see here, this website has a domain rating of 94 and 100 is the highest. So this website has really high authority. And as you can see here, more than 600 million backlinks, 89% are do follow. And they are getting those backlinks from more than 1 million referring domains, and 84% are do follow. So if we publish our article on this high authority website, we will not have problem of ranking on first page on Google for this keyword. And the website that we are going to use is called medium.com, and people come to this website to publish their own articles in all kind of topics. And to register, just click here on sign in, and then click here on create one. No account, create one. And as you can see, you can sign up with Gmail, with Facebook, or with your email. Like always, I recommend to sign up with your email, and after that you will need to confirm your email. And after you confirm your email, you will go to your dashboard. And to create a new article, just click here on your profile image and click on new story. And here you can type title of your article and then click enter. And I always recommend to open your article with the image. You can find royalty-free images on Pixabay or Pexels or some other free stock image websites. And to add an image, just click here on this plus. And now you can add photo or video or embed something, and click here, just click here on this photo and choose the image that you want. Click OK, and that's it. And here you can type your paragraph, and to type another paragraph, just press enter. And again, you can add image, or you can add video from YouTube, or you can embed video from YouTube, from Instagram, or wherever you want. Or you can actually add a new part. And again, just click enter, and that's it. You can also add links. Just highlight the word that you wish to link, like this, and now click on this chain and type your link. Now this is very important, so pay close attention. Medium.com does allow affiliate backlinks, so you can promote Amazon products, you can promote Clickbank products, JVisio products, your own products. But somewhere in this article, in this text, you must add a disclaimer. You must say that this article contains affiliate links and that author of this article will actually get a commission for every sale. So you must add that disclaimer. If you do not add that disclaimer, if you don't add that, then your article will be deleted and you will be marked as spammer, and most likely you will be banned from medium.com. And you won't make any sales and you won't make any money. So it's not a big deal. Just write a short disclaimer saying that this article contains affiliate links and that you as an author will get an affiliate commission. And if you write a good informative article and add your affiliate link and add this disclaimer, people will start reading your articles and people will start clicking on your affiliate link and you will start making sales. And to publish your article, after you finish everything, just click here on publish and that's it. Now, even though Medium.com is getting 200 million monthly visits, I strongly recommend to promote your own articles. You can share your article in related Facebook groups, on your Twitter page, on your Instagram page, in related forums, or you can go on Quora and write few answers and on the bottom leave the link to your Medium.com article. In this way, you will create some backlinks, you will get some visits to your article, and you will get some social signals which will all help you rank faster and rank higher on Google search results. And in that way, you will get even more visits to your article and even more sales. So that is how you drive Clickbank free traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.